Hey everyone! So today I'm going to be making, reviewing, tasting, talking about Big Train's vanilla chai latte. Just a little background. I did work at a coffee shop for like a summer, and Big Train is what we use to make our vanilla chai, and I fell in love ever since then. I'm not a big coffee drinker. I don't really like coffee, but I love me some vanilla chai. Dunkin's finally got one into their chain, and it's good. It's good, but it's expensive. So I think at our Dunkin's anyway, it's like $5 for a large. We can get one of these, I think, for like $8.99, and I love it. It's Big Train. It's the original. You can make them warm with espresso. You can have them chilled. You can have them iced. I like, chilled. Iced is too much work, but I can do it. But right now I'm going to show you how I make mine nice and chilled and delicious. So one of the tricks to it, though, is that you have to dissolve it in warm water first. So what I like to do is take 5 ounces of water, put that in the microwave for a minute, and I'll come back. I'm going to put this in the microwave right now. So while that's in the microwave, I'll talk to you guys. So I liked mine chilled. So I get it warmed up. I'll put in the scoop or 2. Let me see. I feel like it's 2. 2 scoops. Definitely 2 scoops. And I'm going to put it into this 16-ounce bottle. While that's going, actually, you can put my almond milk, vanilla almond milk, not unsweetened. I like my sugar. I want it sweetened. So I'm going to put this in here. We just got it. We just went to Whole Foods because I ran out. So I just eyeball it in here. Now, let's see. So, just so you know, when you order your Big Train, if you order Big Train off of Amazon, it does come with the scoop inside. See, you can tell I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, it smells so good. It's like a Cinnabon. Like, it's just, oh my goodness, delicious. I love it so much. Anyway, I'm gonna let you smell it. Ah, so good. So good. I can't wait. But, and another thing. The instructions in here tells you that you can mix it with water, but it does not taste as rich and decadent and lovely with water. You have to mix it with milk, almond milk, some kind of milk to get that creamy, water. It just ain't the same. Hot water. Okay, 1. Oh yeah. I can smell the goodness. Yes. Gotta love it. Sorry, it does that to me. I don't have any control over it. You want to make sure you get it nice and dissolved. So what I like to do, mix it up, pour it in here, mix that up, then put it into my refrigerator. And when I get ready to go for work, it's all chilled and delicious and ready for the day. You can put espresso in it if you like coffee. If you like coffee, you can put espresso instead of water. But like I said, I'm not a real coffee drinker. I'll do it for the caffeine sometimes, but not really what I want. Alright, let me just pour some of this just in case it's too much. I'll go back and forth. Alright. Hot. Okay, let me pour some of this in here to get the residual. Waste not, want not. Okay, top that off. Have my straw that goes to this. Mixing it up. And I can't resist. I have to make sure it tastes right. So good, you guys. So good. And it'll be even better once it sits in the refrigerator and gets nice and cold. I'm telling you. Vanilla chai, give it a chance. Try it out, guys. I'm not sponsored in any way. I'm just telling you guys things that I like. And hope that you guys can enjoy them too. But yeah, vanilla chai, Big Train. Big Train sells all different kinds of like blended drinks. You can try, like, I think they have an Oreo cookie that we used to mix, and it was just, well, not Oreo, because I think Oreo's trademark, probably, like, cookies and cream is probably what they called it. But anyway, it was delicious. So you guys can give that a try. Maybe I'll come back and review some other flavors if you guys like, if you like that one and you want to see some other ones. I'll probably try them. All right, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.